Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false collision warnings occurring on every drive and what could be causing it based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, forward collision warnings may trigger repeatedly even when there is no immediate risk ahead. These alerts can appear during normal driving on clear roads and may feel frequent or predictable on specific routes. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, driver assistance configuration, software version, and driving environment rather than indicating a guaranteed system fault. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves how Tesla's camera-based perception system interprets visual inputs. The system continuously evaluates objects, lane geometry, relative speed, and motion patterns. Under conditions such as strong shadows, road crests, overpasses, parked vehicles close to the travel lane, oncoming traffic separated by narrow medians, or abrupt lighting changes, the system can momentarily assess a potential collision risk and issue a warning even when no action is required. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Software-related behavior is also a documented factor. Forward collision warning sensitivity and alert logic are controlled by vehicle software and can change between updates. Certain versions may apply more conservative thresholds, which can increase alert frequency in complex visual environments. As a possible contributing factor, temporary camera obstruction from glare, rain, fog, dust, dirt, or windshield condensation could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Calibration and system confidence also influence alerts. If the system has reduced confidence in depth estimation or object classification, it may issue warnings as a precaution. This does not necessarily indicate a malfunction, but reflects the system prioritizing safety when data interpretation is uncertain. Corrective actions described in verified information include keeping cameras clean and unobstructed, ensuring vehicle software is up to date, and understanding that collision warnings are advisory alerts rather than confirmations of danger. If false warnings occur consistently on every drive under normal conditions, service inspection may be required to review camera calibration, sensor data consistency, and stored diagnostic information. Reviewed information indicates that frequent false collision warnings are not universal and often correlate with specific road layouts, lighting conditions, and software behavior. Some vehicles may experience them rarely, while others may encounter them more often depending on environment and configuration. In conclusion, Tesla false collision warnings that occur every drive are generally linked to perception limits, environmental visual factors, and software sensitivity rather than a universal safety system failure. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate system evaluation and ongoing software refinement. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.